guys, it's Kara, and today I have another unboxing of Charlotte Tilbury. So let's get started and let's see what we got. Now, she just had her summer sale. I don't know if any of you saw my posts about it, but if you did, that's pretty much what I got. Some items from her summer sale. So let's check out what I got. Let's see. I got her Exagger-Eye Volume Mascara. And also, too, I got her mini version as well. It was buy one, get one half price, I think. So it was like you got the full one and then you got the mini. So that's one of the items I got in her summer sale. Let's see. This was not part of her summer sale, or at least it wasn't in any of the bundles, but I wanted to try her Paradise Pink Glow and her Sun Blushed Glow. These are lip and cheek. You can use them as cream blushes, and you can also use them as lip color too, like a lip gloss. So I got those. I got her lip liner. This was Icon Baby. And I got this lipstick. And this is Sexy Sienna. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, and High Society. This is her lip luster. This was actually one of the bundles that I got in the summer sale, which was nice. You got to pick out whatever lip liner, lipstick, and lip luster you wanted, which is like a lip gloss. So that was one of the items that I got. And we just launched the mini Unreal Blush. Now, I have two of the full-size Unreal blushes. These are the minis. And these are two shades that I don't have in the full size, so that's why I thought I'd try them. And the colors I got are Peachy Glow, which is kind of like a peach shade. And then this is a really bright pink, Pinky Glow. And that's what I got in the Unreal Blush. These come in 4 colors, and these are great for traveling. Great for throwing in your purse. And I have, like I said, I have these in the full size. I wanted to try these 2 different colors in the minis. And you can get all 4 minis, or you can just get the 2. And what I love about them is the mini size is great if you want to try something out. And same thing with the Exagger-Eye mascara. If you want to try her mini version first before buying the full version, that's a great way to try something new and not spend a lot of money. And then if you like it, you can always get the full size. Or keep the minis for when you're traveling or in your purse, and keep the full size at home on your makeup station. So these are all the goodies that I got, you guys. And I will be definitely doing some videos using these products. So I am a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte. And you can get these products below. I'm going to drop my link. And I'm also going to drop my discount code, which you'll get 15% off your purchase. My discount code is for first-time online purchasers, and it does not include bundles, and it doesn't include any sales or special pricing. But the sale is over right now. So if you were to get a lip liner, a lipstick, a lip gloss, some blush, that kind of thing, you could definitely use my discount code. So anyway, this is what I got. I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope. But what a beautiful package. I love her packaging. I love opening these boxes. They're so pretty. So anyway, these are the items that I got. And if you want to try any of these products, like I said, I'll drop my link below with my discount code and you can grab it all there. And I'll also list these items that I got down below in case you're interested in getting any of them. So I hope you're having a lovely day, and I hope to talk to you soon. And I hope you make it a Charlotte day. Bye.